Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta Haul, guys. We got a little fetch, we got a little shop kick, we got a little double dipping. You know how I feel about double dipping. Now, the first rebate I decided to do, guys, was on the Palermo pizza. The Palermo pizza was priced $5 in my Walmart. I did have a printable coupon for $1 that I used, and I will link it in the description box of the video. I found it on the Palermo website, so hopefully it's still available. That dropped my cost in store to only $4. Then I had a $1 Ibotta rebate, which dropped my cost to $3. Then when I uploaded my receipt, Fetch gave me some points. Fetch actually gave me back $1.27 from Fetch, making the final cost for the Palermo pizza $1.73. I thought that was a great deal, guys. Then there is also a any pizza rebate for 10 cents, which you need to clip that, making it be $1.63 for the Palermo pizza. Next rebate I did, guys, was he brought my double dipping back. All right, so the all free and clear. This is the huge bottle. This is the 88 ounce, guys. This one is doing just like it did last time. It's attaching to 2 rebates. This one is priced $6.97 in my Walmart. Now, if you don't want to double dip, then you unclip the one that it's not supposed to attach to, okay? But the $2.50 Ibotta rebate is the correct rebate for this one. But it's also attaching to a $2 one as well, okay? So that makes it take off $4.50, dropping the cost. Final cost $2.47 for the huge bottle of all. Now, like I told you guys before, make sure that you try to get this one. You see this one that has that little gold little dot on it? It's got the Clean Care with Fabric Smooth formula, because remember last time when this happened, I was scanning the other big ones and they were not attaching, and a couple of you were saying, hey, it didn't work for me. It's because you got the wrong one, okay? You gonna double dip, you gotta do double dip right. But I'm in no way encouraging you to abuse your app, okay? Next rebate I decided to get was on the Chobani Flips. Chobani Flips were priced $1.22 in my Walmart. This is a must buy 2 rebate because you're buying one and you're getting one for free. So you had to get the 2 for a cost of $2.44 in store. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.44. There is a $1.22 coming back Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.22 for the 2. Next rebate I did, guys, was on the Baby Ruth candy bar. The Baby Ruths were priced 88 cents in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay 88 cents. There is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the Baby Ruth 63 cents. The next rebate I did was on the Fruitella. These are like little gummies, little fruit, little snack things. Well, soft gummies, excuse me. They were in the candy aisle with the candy, okay? Now, these were priced $2.28. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.28 for the Fruitella. And I do like these. I did. I got one over here on my desk that I've been eating on. Every time I film a video for y'all, I'm eating on these things. The next rebate I did was another double dip. Was the CLR, the Sports Stain Remover. This is priced $3.24 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.24. There is 2 rebates that is attaching to this product, a $1.50 rebate and a $1 rebate, taking off $2.50, making the final cost only 74 cents for the CLR Sports Stain Remover. Okay. Next rebate. Now I was just commenting in, I think Jody Dunn's video. I think I commented in her video today that I want this. I wanted this rebate, and it appeared. Yeah. So the Morton All Season was priced $1.48 in my store. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.48. There is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 98 cents for the Morton Season All. It's seasoned salt. Yeah, good deal. All right, now let's move on to the Shop Kick. The next rebate I did was on the Lunchables. Now, these are Shopkick. These are not Ibotta, all right? You guys are unfamiliar with Shopkick. Shopkick is another rebate app that gives you kicks for scanning things in store. You can get lots of gift cards, real simple, like for real, okay? Faster than fetch. But you know, I'm not in any way telling y'all not to do fetch. You need to do all of them. You need to do Ibotta. You need to do fetch. You need to do Shopkick. But I get gift cards real easy with Shopkick. The Lunchable was priced $1.48 in my store. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.48 in store. Now, Shopkick was giving me back 64 cents worth of kicks, making the final cost for the Lunchable 84 cents. I'm going to eat this. My husband's not going to eat this. I can take that in my lunch. All right, the next thing I did, guys. Now this deal alert, you must do this rebate before the end of day Saturday, because the coupon expires on Saturday, the 27th, okay? In order to do this deal. Now, you know we got that Axe coupon that was a buy an Axe product and get the spray for free. Well, then voila, look what appeared in my Shopkick. You better do it. Come through Shopkick. So the Axe was priced $3.97 in my Walmart. So I used these products for that coupon. Boop, pop it up so you guys can see it. So I had to pay for this, which was $3.97. But Shopkick is giving back $1.08, the equivalent in kicks, okay? Which drops the cost to the body wash to $2.89. So the product that I got for free was the body spray, which was priced $5.64, okay? So this comes off for free when you check out. So that made the cost of this be absolutely nothing. Got back $1.08 from Shopkick and making this free, plus $1.08 moneymaker. Now let me tell you this. When you go to scanning in Shopkick for these products, make sure that you pick up one that attaches to the Shopkick rebate, okay? Because some of the body washers were saying sorry. So this is the one I got, this Anarchy, and it looks like that pattern that looks a little new. So I decided to get a matching set. So I got the spray and the body wash in case I want to flip this on Facebook Marketplace or okay, I'm giving a set. You got a set. There you go. And heck, it didn't cost me nothing, really. It really didn't, but $1 and some change, because you're getting $1.08. Yeah. So that's really dropping the cost of the body wash. Great deal. Moving on. I'm addicted, okay? I'm seriously addicted, okay? I'm eating a whole one of these candy bars like they a little candy bar, okay? Now, the M&Ms, they resetting so fast, I can't help it, okay? Plus, I got it tracking on coupons.com. So you're going to make sure that you upload your receipt to coupons.com, because I'm trying to get my $2 for spending $10 worth of these candy bars. Now, this is the one that was glitching. Apparently, it ain't glitching for me no more. It's glitched for me twice. Gave me like 3 times the amount of kicks that it was supposed to, okay? But I'm going to keep on doing it till they stop giving it to me, all right? So, these were priced $1.68. I did not do them together. I did one on my lunch and the other one, it reset. So I did this one after work because I keep trying it. They might give me some more kicks again. $1.68 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.68 in store. Now the kicks have reduced. They're only giving 50 kicks for me now. So 50 kicks is the equivalent of 20 cents. Okay, I'm okay with that because it's $1.48. Plus, you're going to upload your receipt to coupons.com so you can get you You know, I'm trying to get my $2, all right? That's like a free candy bar. So I did it again after work. Same thing. Yeah. Let's jump into the numbers. The total of everything, guys, was $36.74. I had $6.64 in coupons, dropping my cost to $30.10. And of course, since they want to glitch with my candy bar, I'd redeemed another $5 gift card from Shopkick, dropping my cost in store to only $25.10. Of course, y'all know this was our body money that paid for this deal. What I got back from Ibotta in rebates was $11.32. I did get a $1 all bonus because of those two all rebates attaching to this product. It also gave me a $1 bonus. Look at this, great deal. I got $1.27 back from Fetch for my Palermo pizza. And I got $3.20 back from Shopkick for my Shopkick products, making the cost of everything $8.31. It gets even better because I hit both of my bonuses. I hit my $10 February funds bonus for completing 36 rebates. And I completed my Rising Star bonus. I got the $10 for that for doing 85 rebates. You better do it, Crystal. This is a absolutely free haul after those two $20 chunking on my account, dropping my cost to nothing, and $11.69 money maker. I'll take it however I can get it, okay? I am feeling Shopkick, Fetch, Ibotta. Everybody wants to bless Crystal. Oh, and I even got me some free body wash. Gotta burn up them coupons. Last day. Y'all know how much this is. This is what, like 97 cents? You got that $1 coupon. You gotta use them up. This is a great item for you to bless somebody with. This is a great donation item. Ooh, that don't smell bad. That smells pretty good. Have y'all smelled that one? The Purify. That smells good. I actually like that. Kind of has a kind of a clean, kind of masculine scent to it. Very interesting. All right, lovely people, that is it. Of course, check my Google document below. I will link the printable for the Palermo pizza. Hopefully, I can link it in the Google document, and I will also put it in the description, okay? For my lovely people, I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. Thank you guys so much for helping the coupon crew, joining, subscribing, liking, sharing, getting us over 8,000 lovely people. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you all so very much. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.